Now the author of the book, ladies and gentlemen, the lady who's on stage, Seema Sonik Alimchan.
Dara, the book, is the life journey of the great Mr. Dara Singh. Like Sudha just said, it tells of his childhood years spent working the fields of Punjab. It tells thereafter of his many years of struggle to earn a living and then to get into the world of wrestling. It tells of his travels to foreign shows, championships, tournaments, world tours, and finally he is declared the champion of the world. Dara Singh was also a champion in family matters. He fell in love, and he fell in love, and he fell in love and got married to a very pretty young girl from Amritsar, his mother's choice. And they have 5 wonderful children who helped me immensely with this book, as has Mr. Ratan Olak, Daraji's brother-in-law, and Kardamanji, Daraji's firstborn. I am so grateful to all of them. I especially cherish the very precious moments, hours really, that I spent with Mrs. Surjit Dara Singh Randhawa. She took me back to Punjab. It was the village life in Punjab. And the book is rightfully dedicated to her. You know, it wasn't as if Dara Singh did not face any obstacles or hardships or, pain in his life. But he always bounced back because he was a champion in the true sense of the word. He was a winner, not only because of the hard work that he put in since childhood, but also because of the dedication that he had. It was not only that physical strength that we all know him for, it was an inner strength that he possessed. वो हिंदी में कहते हैं मेहनत के साथ भक्ति हो और बल के साथ शक्ति हो तो जीत तो होनी ही है. That was Dara Singh. The Dara, the book, is like the man himself, very, very inspiring. And it's also very action-packed and very exciting. And it's so amazing and so beautiful the way this universe works. That we got the superstar, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, to give a cover quote for the book. And then today, we have a mega star, probably the perfect example of Daraji's ideology, his strength, and his good looks. Here to launch the book, much thanks to Bindu there. And it's a historic moment, and I'm so very, very happy to be a part of it. Thank you.
I'd like to say कि ये बहुत ही important day है हमारी फैमिली की लाइफ में. हमें बहुत हम किस्मत वाले हैं. मेरे बड़े भाई परदुमन, मेरे छोटे भाई अमरीक यहाँ हैं और मेरी बहनें जो यहाँ नहीं हैं, मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ, फैमिली, सारे दोस्त यहाँ हैं, मेरी वाइफ, मेरी बेटी, मेरा बेटा यहाँ नहीं है. So everybody who's not there, we love you all. डैड की जो बुक है, एक ड्रीम थी हमारी कि डैड की बुक आए और जो इंस्पिरेशन ये जनरेशंस को दे रही है. From the old people, everybody knows him, but I think जो young बच्चे 16 साल, 15 साल, you should also understand कि अगर आप achieve करना चाहो और कोशिश करो तो कुछ भी कर सकते हो. And I want to just thank Akshay, जिसे मैंने एक बार कहा please I want you to inaugurate my book, and he was so magnificent. He said, "Bindu bhai, why do you want me to come here and be here?" And मैंने बोला भाई सीधी सी बात है कि there is only one खिलाड़ी of Bollywood, international खिलाड़ी number 1, and this is the खिलाड़ी of wrestling, and it would be wonderful if you launched it. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, Akshay Kumar, who would like to say a few words, share some of his memories with the great Dara Singh. Akshay Kumar, here he is. Thank you.
Namaskar. मेरा नाम अक्षय कुमार. ये मैं हूँ, आप लोगों को बता दूँ कि मैं हूँ कहीं खुलावा में. दारा सिंह साहब वहाँ आए हुए थे कोई इनॉग्रेशन करने के लिए. तो मेरे पिताजी भी रेसलर थे एंड वो भी लंबे चौड़े थे. एंड कैसे ना कैसे वहाँ हमें 3 टिकटें मिली, मैं और मेरी सिस्टर और मेरे फादर. ये मतलब ये दिन मैं अभी भी बता सकता हूँ कि ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि कुछ 4-5 दिन पहले की बात है ये. क्योंकि ये जो मैंने टी शर्ट पहन रखी है, इस पर एक शब्द लिखा था किल रॉय. उस वक्त एक टी शर्ट हुआ, मतलब कंपनी का नाम था किल रॉय. अब वो कंपनी बंद हो गई है. So I still remember this photograph as if it was clicked about 5 days back only. I'll tell you one small story जो हमें मालूम है दारा सिंह जी के बारे में शायद इस किताब में ना हो। दारा सिंह साहब की एक मिथ थी, लेकिन बचपन में जब हमें ये नहीं पता था कि ये मिथ है, हमें लगा कि ये असली में। हमें ये पता था कि दारा सिंह जी के पीठ पे त्रिशूल है। ये कमाल की बात है, तो हम यही सोचते थे कि इनकी पीठ पे कोई त्रिशूल है, और अगर इनको गुस्सा आएगा तो दारा सिंह साहब की तीसरी आंख है वो खुल जाएगी। ये मैं भगवान कसम कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे यही मालूम था कि इनकी तीसरी आंख भी है, कि इनको गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर ये लड़ते वक्त कोई 3-4 राउंड हार जाए तो चौथे राउंड पे अपनी आंख खोल के तो उसको पीट देंगे। तो हमें तो यही पता था, हम तो यही जानते हैं कि अगर शक्ति की बात हो तो यही मालूम है कि दारा सिंह जी का नाम ही लिया जाएगा। शक्ति मतलब दारा सिंह जी। यहाँ तक कि ये नाम इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर अमूमन तौर पे ऐसे भी लिया था, ओ क्या अपने आप को दारा सिंह समझता है क्या भाई? तो मतलब अपने आप को पहलवान समझता है। सो मैंने बचपन में वो स्टेडियम था वल्लभ भाई, तो वहाँ मैंने कितने 2-4 मैचेस भी देखे हैं उनके। वहाँ जाके बैठ के देखा करते थे कि कैसे उछल के मारते हैं। सो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट अगर मुझे ये मौका मिला कि उसकी बुक आके अनवील करूँ। एंड साथ में आज बगर साहब भी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। मैं इनके बारे में बताऊंगा कि मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट फाइट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की जो फर्स्ट फाइट है वो बगर साहब मेरे यहाँ मेरे फाइट मास्टर रह चुके हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी कुछ फाइट के बारे में सिखाया। और पहला पंच मेरे मुंह पे जिसने मारा था वो गुरबचन साहब भी वहीं बैठे हुए हैं। इन्होंने पहली बार मुझे मारा था फिल्म के अंदर। एंड क्या था भाई, सो इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल ओकेजन एंड आई वोंट टेक मच टाइम and are we going to have question answers?
No, we will, but before that an AV has to play, Akshay ji. Yes? So let's play that.
Small AV which
Yes.
I requested Venu sir to just get ensemble all his work together and so we all can see it. So here is the AV, let's watch it.
Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, Q&As. Just a few questions. Thank you so much. And I didn't hear a round of applause. Can we just for the lovely book that Ditara is? Okay, every. Okay, the floor will open for 1 or 2 questions maximum, but first, if they could all settle down. Yeah, I'll ask them a few questions, but only if this gets over. Everyone settle down, yeah. Yes, please, that's very nice. My wife too. मेरा एक सवाल है अक्षय जी से, बाकी लोग भी पूछे, लेकिन अक्षय, I wanted to ask you one thing, that the way in that picture you're standing next to Daraji and you are a fanboy. Do you have these days such small children come in and asking you about how to build body, how to be healthy?
Sorry, yeah, go ahead.
I was asking that you were standing next to Daraji. आजकल के दिन में आपके पास इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे आते हैं कि आप बॉडी कैसे बनाते हो, हमें बताओ, give us some tips. We want to be, because see, you have always insisted on being healthy. You sleep early, you get up early. We all know you're a healthy guy. Do you have such queries from, let's say, teenagers?
Yeah, the children do come. Today morning I was shooting with the child. I was shooting for an ad, and there's this child who was an artist, and he was asking me about it, how to eat healthy food. On the contrary, उसकी माँ भी थी. अक्षय जी बताइए ना इसे. ये देखिए, ये कोई फ्रूट नहीं खाता. इसे समझाइए. देखो बेटा, अगर आपको अक्षय बनना है तो आपको फ्रूट खाना पड़ेगा, वेजिटेबल खाना पड़े. तो yes, so I have these kind of moments coming sometime. But मैं वहाँ डरा हुआ था. अगर वो फोटो वापस आएगी तो आप देखोगे उनका हाथ मेरे पे था. मैं डरा हुआ था कहीं मुझे मार ना दे. जैसे मैंने कहा कि I had this thing about इनकी तीसरी आँख खोल ना जाए, so something like that was there in my head.
Bindu, I wanted to ask you, in the book you say that you were teased in school, right, when you were going?
Absolutely.
सब छेड़ते थे इनको. और इन्होंने जाके अपने पापा से जब कहा तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम बॉडी बना लो और स्कूल के वेकेशंस जब खत्म हो जाएंगे उसके बाद जाना, मैं देखता हूँ कौन तुम पे हंसता है. So it was basically that if you look good and healthy, everyone is going to take seriously. You want to say a few words about that?
No, I was the weakest boy in class till the 8th standard, and my father, I would tell him कि it's a curse कि मैं आपके घर में पैदा हुआ, सब लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे. दारा सिंह का बेटा, मुझे रोना आता है. तो बोला रुक जा, लंबा हो जा और तब तेरी एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट कराऊंगा. तो 8th स्टैंडर्ड से मैं स्टार्ट हुआ और बॉडी बनाई. ये ऐसे जैसे ये अक्षय कर रहा है, अभी इसका बेटा कर रहा है, जो स्टंट्स और सब वैसे हम लोगों ने भी बहुत किए. तो जब डैड अच्छे होते हैं, अपने बच्चों को अच्छी तरह सेहत के बारे में सिखाते हैं, तो बच्चे भी खतरनाक दिखते हैं. वो भी बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी निकलेगा, 100% आ रहा हूँ.
God bless. Seema, the warmth that you always spoke about and your dedication is for Mrs. Dara Singh. You want to say a few words about the warmth that you got from the woman who actually carried his legacy forward, his mother?
Mrs. Surjit Dara Singh Randhawa, Surjit Aunty. I met her last year in March. And from the moment that I met her, She first gave me a big hug, and after that it was just lots of cups of teas, lots of stories, and she herself was a story writer. I mean, she has one book somewhere in Punjabi, she's written her whole village life. And she took me back to the village in Punjab, she was in Amritsar, and how she met Daraji the first time, and her chachi used to tell her that, wrestler hai, unse shaadi karo. So she said, मुझे नहीं करनी कोई wrestler से शादी. And then he said, चाची said कि तू बहुत बड़े हैं, प्लेन पे चढ़ेगी, ऐश करेगी. So she replied to her, आप करो और आप प्लेन पे चढ़ो, आप ऐश करो, मुझे छोड़ दो. But she was such a beautiful and such a strong woman. She completed the book with me, and unfortunately, March this year, she passed away. I miss her tremendously, and I wish she'd been here today.
Thank you so much. Mrs. Bindu Dara Singh wanted a question, to ask her husband about Dad, she said so.
Yes, because we all want to hear your memory about your father. So I want to ask you a question. If your father punished you ever, you or no, and how?
I think I've mentioned it in the book, yeah?
Yes.
Have we?
The
We have.
cupboard.
So now, honey, you'll also have to read the book. I'm taking one book for home for you. I was a little naughty boy. I would not listen. जब आप अपने dad की बात नहीं सुनते, I think वो भी बहुत गलत है. So he gave me ample warnings, and one day, only once in my life, ये जो त्रिशूल की बात कर रहा है, तीसरी आंख मेरे पीठ पे लगी, तो यहाँ एक त्रिशूल बना था एक बार. So you'll be reading that in the book, honey.
जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि आप लोगों ने रियलाइज किया होगा कि ये प्रश्न क्यों पूछा गया है. Because if he does something wrong, she has to punish him the same way.
Considering Punjabi में
कुछ
से
भी हो
never
जाए,
punish little
कुछ भी हो जाए,
girls.
बीवी की तीसरी आंख मत खुलवाना.
नहीं.
Thank you so much. And if there is just, I can take maybe one question because we are running out of time. Yeah, the little girl.
या ज्योति.
बायोपिक्स का एंड रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में भी फिल्म हिट होती है तो उठा दे रहे. अगर एक ऑफर आया, will you be ready to play Dara Singh role in a film like this?
So it's a thing that to be a Dara Singh, it's a very wrestler kind of a body. I would like to, I have to change my body for that. I have to put on a lot of, I would say, I have to expand a lot more on the chest side. And because he was a huge man, and I have to justify him completely. And for that, I require at least about 2 years of training to put on that kind of a bulk and look like a wrestler. So if I don't have much movies, and if I have to put on, and if Bindu requests me quite a lot, maybe, I don't know.
कर दे. Don't worry, there's only one Akshay Kumar, and एक ना एक दिन इसे घर पे जाके धरना करेंगे और ये फिल्म बनेगी.
I don't want to tell you. I don't want to ask you a question, but I want to tell you that I'm the author's niece.
Oh, very lovely.
So lovely to meet you, young lady. Thank you so much for being here. And for the rest of you, there are books outside which all of you can buy and get it signed from Seema. Thank you so much for being a
Thank you.
wonderful
Thank you,
audience.
guys.
Once again for Didara A.K. Dara Singh, a round of applause. Thank you. Have a lovely...
Love you, baby.
अक्षय सर एकदा वरती केलं. अक्षय सर समोर एकदम. अक्षय सर एकदा समोर वरती. अक्षय सर समोर वरती. अक्षय सर एकदा समोर. अक्षय सर सेंटर में यहाँ पे सेंटर में देखिए लेफ्ट सबका
यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो।
Right.